Hello, everyone. My name is Yulibeth Toloza from the Geology Engineer program in Argentina University. And today we are going to talk about the compression, but we will mainly relate and compression bias. We will start with very incredible question. What is compression? In store all that with compression salts in the structural elements. Specifically the foundation trend the strand frame and on the styling salts of rock in a proper way. This is used in both new concentration and the system structures. There is a very important factor, and it's humanity and store of that exchange humanity in the spacing salts. Salts can cause movements, lifting and destroying the structures. There is some movements can cause a lot of destruction in the image. Conversion of the specific solution, the mitigant stints phenomenon. Conversion publish to solve stints or difficulties with using violence and the specific things in the deep foundation constructions, element using the word scaling files, with all on this transmission in the infrastructure loans strong low when this inconsistent layer or to deeper layer when the sufficient load capacity the super things. At the time, at the time of making the separation between filings, depending of the condition of granularity and density of the soils. Um, under certain circumstances, the pilots are driving into granular salts and RC proper compression of the salt near the growth surface. It is linked depending on factors such as A, the relative compression of the salts, B, the determined relative compression of the soil, and C, the recurring dependent of compression. Depending of the themes and behavior of the terrain, the path of driving is different. This thing is made between granular salts and coarse salts. Coarse salts driving causes in disturbing in decreasing pores pressions, and granular salts driving generally cause dispersion of the ground surface in areas and surrounding the piles. They can be classified according to the process in the two-layer group. Displacement and displacement piles when the pile of the certain extraction material in the piles. In the pile excavation, when the growth that in the subsequently will fill with resistant materials. Um, the scene the scene of the sand compression pile depends on some column stability. The pile is also due to the same vertical deformation. Advanced of the sand compression piles, they may add vacants at being of the syncopation pilots once and they make advancement on the syncopation pilots in the tanks and considered cheaper compared to other similar techniques. Two, construction of the sand pilots in extremely fast. And three, there is no risk of collision in the hotels all that will are unsupported by the lands. These some compression piles. Why once some compression pile has long stiffening compression on the other methods, so it her personally out with the solid security. And two, this pilot do not have sufficient permeability de función de efficient vertical drying during its workings. Frequent uses deep foundations. The foundation transmitted along in deep. It is widely used in the wide variety on the Froster project construction of stone around the bridges. And three, consignments. Be for the reference, and thank you so much. See you later.